You'd agree this doesn't look too good. Well, that is an improvement. So how did I go about painting these extremely rough walls to get it looking like the perfect finish? Well, simple. My go-to roller helped me a lot. The RoughCoat, whether I was painting solvent-based plaster primer or a washable sheen, the RoughCoat roller is definitely the go-to roller. Other things I needed is the SupaSoaka. Love that SupaSoaka drop cloth. It absorbs the paint if you mess, so you don't walk it onto the paving while you're busy painting. Good quality Hamilton professional brush scraper. And off we go with the scraper. Now, once I started scraping, I noticed I'm going to have quite a problem here, because the paint wasn't keying very well to the previous coating. So I took out my Karcher pressure washer and washed these walls, and shockingly I took off about 50% of the existing top coat. And the reason why it came off so easily, because these walls, the yellow walls, are powdery, and you can't go and paint over powdery walls. So once I fixed the cracks, I then decided to paint the entire wall over the paint that didn't come off and the old yellow chalky paint with plaster primer. So plaster primer with the RoughCoat. This is really rough walls, and this roller handled it with ease. And because it's thermobonded solvent, no problem. Okay, so the whole thing's been primed. You got to stir your paint and your primers well before you use them. Using Hamilton's professional brush, I'm just doing all the cutting in where the roller's not going to get in. Now, the Hamilton's RoughCoat roller is perfect because it's got an extra thick pile. It absorbs a lot of paint, and you can apply coatings onto extra rough surfaces. It really went on like a 4x4. And once again, I got the perfect finish. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel.